Yeah, hello everyone. So I'm Shrisha, and this is me, my image. So I'm very happy to say that I have become an author, and very excited to introduce you my new research book titled "Cosmos of God." So this is like a front page, I mean cover page of the book. So it is available throughout the world in Amazon. I'll be providing the Amazon links in the description box below. So now let's explore the special features of this book. Please allow me to introduce the research manuscript. Yeah. So the special features includes like this is an encyclopedia. As the name itself says, the cosmos. So this includes everything. So three main objects are highlighted here of universe, life, and the developer of the universe and life. That is whom I call God in English. So all these three are carefully analyzed to form a unified reality, and the significance of this pure knowledge has been mentioned and explained. So logical and mathematical analysis of the universe also has also been done by the current advancements of cosmology and quantum mechanics. So for one more special unique feature is that this has the technical spirituality, like how the nature of self, that is spirituality, can be understood using technical terms or Hyman terms. How the advancement of technology can be utilized to understand the nature of self. How the existence can be understood using the technology has been beautifully explained in this book. And then this book also includes about the various religions of the world, their history, and the similarities and differences between the religions has also been discussed. Without any much criticism, this would be a very good information to a true seeker, which I think. It also includes ontology and epistemology of the contents of this book. This also includes the definition of mind, consciousness, what is actually consciousness and mind, the importance, the power of human mind, the ability of human mind to process the information, and the mechanism of emotions are also discussed here, like how emotions are actually can interfere in the process of thinking in the humans is also discussed here. Followed It also includes about birth and death, afterlife. For example, we have NDE, near death experience, by captured by many doctors and parapsychologists. Those case studies around the world has also been included, mentioned in this book. This also includes about Vedas, which are the holy scriptures. It includes why it is most. It explains why it is most sacred. What actually the Vedas tell. How it should be understood in the procedure, and it tells about the Madhvacharya, who is a great scholar and revolutionary monk from India. He was a great Vaishnava, who has given many great contribution to society and the world. So a brief introduction has been given about him in this work. It also includes about the concept of God. What actually is God? Why and how should be it that God should be worshipped? So it also includes about the uh, action perform or worship actions performed to the god, and it also includes about the karma theory of Hinduism, uh, which explains which technically explains what actually luck is, and why different people have different experiences and different lifestyle. So it also includes about the importance of education in the process in the development of a nation, and it also includes about the ancient Indian history, epics of India, and relation between India and world. So yeah, so this book has also been recognized by many libraries. So these are the contents of the book, which I think which maybe would give which might give more details. So this book has is available both in paperback hard copy and ebook soft copy. The links has been given in the description box below. I request you to kindly go through the book and support, like, and share among your circles. Hope you all find this book very informative and helpful. Thank you very much, everyone. Yeah.